Today we're finally finished my backyard project and we are building a step for the hot tub so we can finally reach up there. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are closing the backyard edition with the hot tub steps, and we are also closing another chapter in our lives. I have been MIA for a while now, for like, I don't know, 2 months. We decided to sell our home, switch home, and we are moving to a new home. We already found it and I'm very excited about it. So we put up this house for sale on a Thursday. Actually it was a Friday morning, and then on a Saturday, we got our first offer and we sold pretty much. So we have been packing, busy, just, I will tell you why. Settling your home while you live here with pets and, like a full-time job and all the things. It's so stressful, guys. It's just so stressful. I have been very stressful. I have not been working out because all my gym equipment is just in the box right now. And it's just, waking up, clean the house, go to work, and just keep the house clean because it's just so many things that you need to do. And top of that, of course, looking for another place to buy. And now that you guys are up to date with what's going on around here, let's start this project. For this project, I'll be using 3 materials and 2 power tools, so it's a great project for beginner and for weekend warrior. After I cut all my lumber into the size that I want it, which I will leave in the description below as well, I'll put all together, use a little bit of glue and screws for exterior. So if you watch my channel, you will know that I'm really bad at working with concrete. So I have a few reasons why I wanted to build the steps like this. Number one reason was because I wanted to practice more working with concrete, and the other reason was my dogs. So we have 2 mastiffs and they are pretty strong. I built a temporary steps made out of wood, and the dogs kept moving around the backyard because it was too light. So I wanted something strong that would, the dogs would not move, sturdy because me and my husband would be, going up and down in a hot tub, and heavy. So this was a perfect idea. Also, the concrete would match perfectly with my planter that I built a while ago and the stepstones that I DIY. I'll leave the link of both videos on the description below so you can check it out. The structure was built like a box. On this video you can't see that I closed all the way around, but later on I came back behind the scenes and closed all 4 sides because I was afraid that spiders would make a home inside or underneath. So I also made sure to be the strong, the bottom, the sides, and the top because we would step on it. The front and the back, I just added the backer because I didn't need it any strength, as long as the sides were strong enough to support. After the structure was built, I cut the concrete board and installed like I would install drywall. But I used my jigsaw to cut and I lost 3 blades in the process. You need to have a special blade to cut concrete board, which I only figured out when this project was done. Plan was to build 2 steps just like this one, but after I built this one, I realized how heavy it was. So I changed my mind and I decided to keep the wood one that I built a while ago as the lower step. And I actually liked it more because I felt like added some warmth from the wood into my backyard. So I'm happy. I'm using the leftover white concrete from my planter and my stepstones here, and the process was the same, very straightforward, but I still struggle with the right tool for the process. I end up using some random tool that I'm not sure the name. And my challenge is on the concrete and this type of project is my challenge to accept that concrete is organic and it's never going to be perfect, at least with me doing it. But in the end, I really like the how turned out the smoothness of this planter. I know that I needed more practice, and I have tons of projects in the next house that are going to be about concrete, micro cement, and things like that. So that's why I'm trying to practice more. And so far, I'm very happy how good it looks outside in my backyard, even though it's organic.
This can be a weekend project, but for me, with my full-time job and so many things going on, I pretty much did this over a week. Like spend like 15 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes in my shop. I was able to get this done, and the time that I put the concrete, I did it 2 sides per day, and then let it dry overnight, and I came back the next day, and then I did the other 2 sides. This is how it works for me. This project turned out to be extremely heavy, so I'm not going to show me bringing to the backyard. I'm just going to show you, the project in place because it was really heavy. It was really heavy, and I was trying to like was super excited. I was trying to make a surprise for my husband, so I was trying to do everything by myself without his help. But in the end, before this was done, I figured out, maybe I know that's not a secret, but I figured out that a wet sponge was really good to smooth out the corners and the top a little bit. I mean, I don't think I did the top, but I did use it on the corners, and I really like how the edges was like nice and even, I think. So I really like that. And after a full sunny week, I had to wait a few more days before I brought outside. After another sunny day, this is the result. My favorite part of this project is how sturdy this piece is. The time I finished this project, we just moved to the new house, and I end up not bringing the piece with us because we don't have our hot tub set up yet. And this concrete style looks so much better with the setup that I have here on the old house. I still have a long ways to be concrete pro, but I will keep practicing more and more. Thanks for watching, and if you don't want to miss more DIY and woodworking, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.